How to enable virtualization in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can enable virtualization in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Control Panel. Click on the search bar and now search for Control Panel. Once you're here, navigate to the View by drop down and here you have to click on Large Icons. Under these options available, head towards Programs and Features. Once you land on this interface, click on this option that says Turn Windows Feature on or off. Then you will find this drop-down or this pop-up box. Scroll through it, then search for the virtual machine. Here you have virtual machine platform. Make sure you have ticked this option or selected this. After that, click on OK. Then it will take a few minutes to install it in your device. Then you will have an option to restart your PC. Click on Restart Now button, and once you have restarted your PC, you have turned on virtualization in Windows 11. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.